Cybercrime is when someone does something bad using a computer or the internet. This could be things like stealing someone's personal information, like their passwords or credit card numbers, or trying to trick someone into giving them money or personal information by pretending to be someone else online. In this video we are going to dive through some trending cyber attacks, and at last we'll reach the point why AI and IoTs are predicted to commit more cyber crimes than actual people. Data breach involves unauthorized access to or theft of sensitive information, such as personal or financial data, and this can be done through cyber attacks on computer systems, networks, or websites. Yahoo data breaches in 2013 and 2014. These breaches affected all 3 billion Yahoo user accounts and exposed personal information such as email addresses, dates of birth, and phone numbers. Marriott International data breach in 2018. This data breach affected up to 500 million guests and exposed personal information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, passport numbers, and dates of birth. Facebook data breach in 2018. This data breach affected 50 million Facebook users and exposed personal information such as names, birth dates, and locations. Mobile malware. Mobile malware refers to malicious software that is designed to infect mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Trojan. A Trojan is a type of malware that disguises itself as a legitimate app but performs malicious activities in the background, such as stealing personal information or sending text messages to premium rate numbers. Adware. Adware is a type of malware that displays unwanted ads on mobile devices. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts the device's files and demands payment in exchange for the decryption key. Spyware. Spyware is a type of malware that tracks the user's activities on the device, such as browsing history and keystrokes, and sends this information to a remote server. DDoS attack. A distributed denial of service, DDoS, attack is a type of cyber attack in which a large number of computers or devices, often infected with malware, are used to flood a targeted website or network with traffic in order to overwhelm its servers and make it inaccessible to legitimate users. DDoS attacks are often carried out by botnets, which are networks of compromised computers or devices that are controlled by a central command and control server. RDP attack. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, attacks are a type of cyber attack that targets systems that use the RDP protocol, which allows users to remotely access and control another computer over a network. RDP attacks typically involve exploiting vulnerabilities in the RDP software or brute forcing passwords to gain unauthorized access to a system. Once an attacker gains access to a system through RDP, they can perform a variety of malicious activities, such as stealing sensitive information, installing malware, or launching additional attacks on other systems within the network. About 71% of ransomware attacks are through RDPs, and their targets are SMBs. AI and IoT. AI can be both a gift and a curse in the digital world. According to predictions, AI will carry out more cybercrimes than people in 2040 as a result of the rise of IoT devices. Cybercriminals are steadily gaining an advantage, thanks to AI and IoT. Any device with an internet connection runs the danger of being compromised. Additionally, as AI technology develops quickly, IoT devices are experiencing security problems for which there don't appear to be any current remedies. The ability of smart home appliances to anticipate users' requirements and daily routines is their key feature, which they achieve by monitoring and recording users' interactions with the appliance. The data is communicated to a server, but if the connection is not secure, it becomes a straightforward way for hackers to access your home. Over the past few years, more IoT devices have been installed in vehicles. It's significant that these have been associated with insurance companies that let customers put gadgets that send data back and lower insurance rates if they drive within a certain range of parameters. A connection between a car and its insurance providers is established when it is connected to the internet, making it vulnerable to hackers. OBD2 dongles can give remote access to cars, which can lead to serious personal harm like disabling a car's braking system and breach a lot of personal information. In the age of smart homes, platforms, like Google, and automated devices, like Amazon's Alexa, that could be used to buy your groceries are making mobile devices, payment cards, and information available. The convenience of having this data stored on these platforms and devices for use in everyday life is what makes it appealing. But it's a simple truth that a lot of people don't know what's happening with their data.